Welcome to Palm Expo 2024. Hi, this is me Lil B and we are here at Pioneer DJ by Alpha Theta. कौन कहता है डीजे सुबह सुबह नहीं उठते यार? Look at this, 10 बजे है, अभी तो गेट खुला है and we are buzzing. I can't wait, this day looks super promising. Let's go. What's up, Tuhin? How are you?
Good, how are you?
All good. What are we showcasing today and for the coming 3 days? Yeah.
So the ones that I'm really interested in, excited about is the new rotary mixer
Wow.
from Alpha Theta called the Euphonia, and it's in collaboration with Rupert Neve, which makes they make high-end pro audio gear. So it's like the Rolls Royce of pro audio gear. But
Wow.
the transformer that's inside here to add the analog warmth, you won't find it in any other product anywhere in the world. It's only made for this.
Okay.
So this is definitely a premium product that people will be really interested in for the sound quality. Everybody wants better and better sound quality, and this is definitely one of those products.
Okay.
And this is what I'm going to be handling for the show.
Superb. That looks interesting. By the way, hey, what's up? How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Wow, these look so pretty. I mean, gorgeous.
Yeah.
Like, what is it and what are we exhibiting for the coming 3 days?
Yeah, so coming 3 days, I'm going to execute performance with cross 12 turntables and a DJ S11 mixer.
So this is like all digital?
All digital. You can use at the same time. You can use Serato. At the same time, you can use a record box. If
Wow.
you want to use analog vinyl, so just need to press a button and shift to analog.
Wow, that's interesting, and I
Yeah.
want to see you do this. I can't wait for you to perform.
Yeah.
Looking forward. Thank you.
Thank you.
So I started off with Pioneer CMX 3000 and now I'm on CDJ 3000. So it's been a long journey. This is like my 19th year. And currently at home what I'm using, I picked it up from Palm Expo just before COVID, is something similar to this, which is XDJ RR. What is the best thing that I found here today was this new innovation. It's called Omnis Duo. It's all-in-one player. It is super light. It's like that light. And the best part is you can play without any cables. So this is Lil B, but this is something mini and it's so cute. It's XDJ 700. Usually this is with a pair and we pair it up with this mixer. It's DJM 450. It's very cute, it's very compact. It's good for modern homes where we have space constraints. It's touchscreen and has almost all the features.
It's tough to choose from the wide variety of class-leading controllers to all-in-one consoles that run seamlessly with the brand new Rekordbox version 7. एक से बढ़कर एक USBs that make DJing so much fun, fancy and convenient at the same time. And here's the rising star. Meet DDJ FLX4, a super user-friendly portable design controller with a professional layout. This controller has two crazy features. The first one is a smart fader, which automatically adjusts the volume, bass, BPM of the song so you can smoothly transition from one song to the next by just moving the channel fader or crossfader. The second one is a smart CFX. Just turn a knob to apply a combination of effects and add drama to your set. बोले तो एकदम futuristic. Here's DDJ Rev 5 for its authentic scratch experience with large jog wheels, Macwell fader, dedicated buttons for stem control, and the first ever auto BPM transition and piano play mode. Thank you Russell for a quick tour on Opus Quad, an ultimate beauty with massive touchscreen, zone output, joystick controls and much more. What fun it was jamming with Mash on Pioneer CDJ 3000's DJM A9 and DJM V10 mixer. Thank you Pioneer DJ by Alpha Theta for an immersive experience, and thank you to all our visitors at the Palm Expo 2024. Bye!